Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this series, we are going to learn about inequalities and in this video, I am going to show you how to solve graph and give interval notation for the notation to linear equation inequalities. When we have an equation such as, for example, x equal 5, we have a specific value for our variable. With inequalities, we will give a range of values for our variable. So, in range, many answers means infinite answers. So, to do this, we will not use equals, but one of the following symbols like less than, greater than. This is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, all these. Okay, and here is the question. Here says graph the inequality and give the interval notation x less than 2. So here x can be any negative number, 0, 1, 1 point, any number, but not 2. Like 1.8, 1.9, 1.99, 1.9999, but not equal to 2 because here not given this equal to sign. Okay, so here just x less than 2 means 2 not include. So for not include we use this chord bracket. Okay, this one, or we can use here hollow circle. Both are okay. So here 2 comma, this is highest value, it may but not include, so that's why I use this parenthesis, curd. Okay, and here all negative numbers, means here all 1 0 -1, all these numbers less than 2. Here these are positive, and here from 0, here left hand side all negative numbers. So we can use here, because we don't know how many numbers. So here till negative infinity, here this side negative infinity, this side positive infinity. Okay, and always with infinity we use chord bracket, this one. Okay, for positive infinity or negative infinity we use chord bracket. Okay, so this is the graph of inequality, and this is interval notation. Okay, now this is another question. Here says y greater than or equal to -1. It means here all bigger than -1. Okay, so -1 it means this, and here y can be -1 because here equal to sign also, correct? So here -1 it means this, and more than -1, so we use square bracket. Okay, and here all these values, because y greater than or equal to -1, so here -1 include, and more than this, so here this side positive infinity. Okay, comma and infinity. Always this parenthesis chord bracket with infinity. So this is interval notation. This is graph of the inequality. Okay. Now here second type of questions. If given graph, so here says give the inequality for the graph. Here given graph we have to find out inequality. So here 3. Okay, more than 3. So here positive side, so positive infinity. Always in with infinity we write this parenthesis chord. Okay, and here 3 not include, it means this parenthesis. Okay, because here 3 not include, um, so this is interval we write, but when we write in x, so x greater than 3, this is the answer. Okay, more than 3 here, all values, it means x greater than 3. Okay, now here minus 4. Okay, here all negative numbers, so minus infinity. This is with infinity, we always write chord bracket, and this include, so like this is interval notation. And here x value less than or equal to minus 4, correct? This is x can be minus 4 or less than minus 4. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, here third type, solve and give interval notation. So first we have to solve this inequality for x, and then represent on graph and interval notation. So here a few rules. If you add, subtract, multiply or divide by any positive number, so inequality doesn't change. But if you multiply or divide by negative numbers, so inequality sign change. Okay. So remember this thing. If you multiply or divide by negative number, inequality sign change. Okay, here this one just you can solve like linear equation. Okay, so for this we have to subtract 5. So this is cancel, minus 2x 6, and here divide by negative 2. So inequality sign change. Okay, here divide by negative number, so inequality sign change. uh, Last time greater than or equal to, now less than or equal to. Okay, so now this is x less than or equal to 6 divided by minus 2, minus 3. So this is inequality, but we have to give answer in interval notation. Okay, so here minus 3 and x, it means here all values less than minus 3 or equal to, so here minus infinity. This one here equal to sign, it means minus 3 include. When we show in graph, so here 3, sorry, minus 3. Minus 3, it means this one. So this is include, it means this parenthesis is square, and here this type. Okay, this is the answer. Now it is another question. This is inequality, but we have to convert for x value, x inequality. So first we have to solve for x. Here parenthesis, so we can use distributive property. 3 times 2 6 x, 3 times 4 12 plus 4x less than, here also 4 times 3 12 x minus 28 plus 8. Okay, 6x plus 4x 10x minus 12 less than 12x, and minus 28 plus 8 minus 20. Now both sides subtract 12x. So this is cancel. This is minus 2x minus 12 less than minus 20. Now add 12 both sides. This is cancel. Minus 2x less than minus 8. Now both sides divide by negative number, negative 2. So inequality sign change. Okay, Remember, whenever we multiply or divide by a negative number, inequality sign change. So x greater than minus 4. Okay. So minus 4, and this is greater than, it means infinity this side, and this is not include minus 4, so this. When we make a graph, so here minus 4, this is, and this side. Okay, all here this side, right hand side. So this is the graph of the inequality, and this is um, interval notation. Okay, so these are really easy questions, but if you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, have a nice time.